So in this video, I'll cover situation reaction test, which is conducted during SSB interview. This test is conducted on the second day after first day is a screening test, and this is part of psychologist test series. In this test, 16 situations are shown, one after the other on the screen. Each situation is shown for 30 seconds, and candidates have to respond to each situation within these 30 seconds. So, this test is actually very tiring. You really get mentally tired after 10 or 15 situations, and thereafter, what you write is actually your true self. Now, these situations are actually they belong to day to day's happenings in our life, and candidates are asked to give their responses. The response of the candidate reveals the personality of the candidate. The response should not be abrupt, but it should be logical. It should reveal positive thinking. And these responses are also cross checked with WAT and TAT responses. Now, when I say positive thinking, it means suppose that you come across a problem, there's an accident. So, rather than saying that I'll just not care about the accident and continue with my work, is not a positive response. But however, if you say that you rendered some assistance to the people who met with the accident, so that is considered positive. So this is how your responses should be. So we'll now see some solved examples of SRT. The first example, the situation is actually given in brown color, and the solution is given in blue color. He met with an accident while going on a bicycle, resulting in serious injury to his friend and damage to his vehicle. So this is what will be shown to you, and then you have to write your answer. So your possible answer is he took the injured to the nearest hospital and informed the passerby to take care of his vehicle. So this is actually most logical and a positive answer. You can write some other answer also, but it should be somewhat on these lines, what has been narrated here. Similarly, the next situation is while going over the bridge with his friend. Suddenly, bridge collapsed. So what will he do? So you can maximum place a warning sign and inform locals. I mean, this is most logical. And also remember that when you give answers to this SRT, write what is humanly possible. I mean, don't write something of superhuman nature. So as long as the replies are positive and possible within human uh, limits, they are good. Now again, next one, due to heavy rains, the river was rising and he had to cross the river. So one possible answer is that he took challenge and crossed the river and jumped inside, but that is not correct way. The right answer is he took the alternate route, which was long but safe. Then similarly, next one, he saw fire in a hotel and people were panicking. So he pacified people, organized firefighting and called up the fire brigade. So this is a good response. So like that, you see other responses also. Now next one is when his brother refused to help him financially for studies. So the possible answer is he borrowed money from the bank to continue the studies. Then he met with armed militants in forest. So he rushed for safe cover and informed the security forces. Now here some people might write that upon seeing the armed militants he started fighting with them and do these things and all. So these are not actually very logical, because humanly you can't do this. Just remember that the answer what you write should be possible within a normal human being's capabilities. Next example is, as captain of team, he found that his players were playing very badly. So during break time, he encouraged them and pointed out the weaknesses. This is the most logical answer. Rather than saying that he jumped inside and then kicked 10 goals and all, which are not humanly possible. Now, while going on a trek, he found that one member of his team was injured and many were tired. So he provided first aid for injured and revised the route. So like that, you have to write. I hope that you are getting my point. That whatever situations are given, I am providing answers which are not very heroic. At the same time, they are possible and they reveal a positive thinking. Now, next one you can see. During journey, he found some miscreants entering the compartment. So he raised the alarm. That's what one can do. The next one is, he saw in his village two boys they were fighting with each other. So he tactfully persuaded both of them to calm down. Then conductor came to check the ticket, but his ticket was lost. So he established his identity and told the conductor about the loss. These are very simple and very logical conclusions I am giving you. Being the oldest of the family, he found that family was uprooted due to cyclone. So he started a small business to rehabilitate the family. Some difficult situations. At a lonely place, he found a person teasing a girl. So he rushed to the place, challenged the person who ran away. This is, though, is a bit risky, but then at times people do this. Then his car broke down at a place at midnight. So the possibilities are that you call mechanic, but midnight no mechanic will come. So the best possibility is you lock your car, use his cell phone, and inform your friend about the incident and ask him for the help. Then he was asked to speak in a public debate whether student election should continue. So he was of the views that these elections are not required. So whatever answers I am giving, these are pretty simple but logical, and this is what we talk in our day-to-day life. And this is how you should write in SSB. You don't have to write very elaborate or very detailed answer or a very heroic type answer. While preparing for his exam, his sick mother needed a lot of attention. So possibility is he managed his time by paying proper attention to his mother as well as for the studies. Then his roommate in hostel was constantly disturbing him whenever he wanted to study. So he told him not to do so, so as he can concentrate on his studies. I mean, this is most logical. Rather than fighting with him and getting him involved in this thing or complaining, this is the simplest way to be out of such situations. Next situations you can read. You'll find that the answers are simple and within a normal human being's limit. Now, the first situation about the Scorpio, rather than killing him, you just say that you moved away and informed others. So thank you very much, and I hope that you liked the video. and please subscribe this. Jai Hind.